Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 3 complex number chapter exercise 1. We are at question number 17. Let's look at the question. Question is area of a triangle in Argand plane formed by complex number z, iz and z plus iz. Okay. All right. It's a good question. And we can see the solution is using the Cartesian plane. Convert it into x and y. So if we take z, the points in the as a point in the coordinate plane, if we take z as x plus iy, then is corresponding to a point xy in the coordinate plane or the Argand plane. And if we say iz, coordinate plane and Argand plane are not same. Argand plane is where the y-axis is imaginary. So iz, if you multiply with I here, then it becomes ix minus y. So the points is the minus y and x. And the other one is if you add both. So if you add both, then x minus y and so here x minus y, z plus iz is equal to plus I and x plus y. So x minus y and x plus y. So these are the points. These are the points. And if from our coordinate geometry understanding, we know if 3 points, they form A, B, C, three vertices of a triangle, then we can just use determinant and find the value. That is very easy to understand. But I would still want to use the concept of complex number here. So if you have a complex number z here, and what iz? Iz is the same complex number, only shifted by 90 degrees. So this is 90 degree, and the iz, if you look at iz, mod iz is still z. So this is forming an isosceles triangle. And what is z plus iz? What is z plus iz? Z plus iz is if they form a parallelogram, then the diagonal of the parallelogram. So this is z plus iz. And what we have to find out? We have to find the area formed by this triangle, the blue triangle. Now this whole thing is nothing but a square because this is equal to this and it's a parallelogram with 90 degree. So that means we just need to find the area of this part. And this is z and this is also z. So it's a right angle isosceles triangle, half mod z square. Half mod z square. So by geometry also it is very easy, I think much easier than any other calculation. So we should know either concept, either approach. Wherever it is easier, we can use it. Thank you.